Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to add card on App Store. So what you need to do is just head onto the settings of your iPhone, and then right after, just simply click onto your name onto the first part that you could see onto the settings. Then right after, you should be able to see payment and shipping in there. So you'll just have to click onto payment and shipping in there, and then right after, you'll get redirected onto another page. So this will load the payment and shipping section of your mobile phone. Now right after, you could go ahead and try to add a payment method in there. And then you'll just need to choose in there credit or debit card, add in the number, its expiration, the CVV, and the billing address, and then click on to confirm. And that's just basically it onto how to add a card onto your App Store. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.